Does this sound familiar? Work is constantly piling up, and you're wondering how you're going to cope? We have the solution. Perma Lubrication Solutions. Our Perma Connect to the rescue. Display the history of the respective lubrication system, or receive notifications regarding fill level, errors, or an imminent LX exchange. You can also release additional purge discharge at any time with just one click. This app allows you to monitor and operate lubrication systems remotely, such as our STAR VARIO Bluetooth, in hard-to-reach workspaces or dangerous areas, easily and reliably. The web application conveniently provides all the information about your lubrication points at your workstation. At Perma, we don't just offer lubrication systems. We provide a lubrication solution tailored to your needs and supported by individual service. Bye-bye chaos. Hello smart lubrication. Perma, the expert in automatic lubrication.